About 21,000 years ago, the Wisconsin glacial ice covered the northern two-thirds of Indiana. Putnam County was split by the ice. The northern and eastern sections of the county were under the ice, but the southern and western sections were not. The city of Greencastle was positioned at the ice margin. As the glacier started to wane, glacial drainageways, shown by the heavy black lines on the map, carried away glacial meltwater. Big Walnut Creek, just west of Greencastle, is one of the glacial drainageways. Sand and gravel washed out of the Wisconsin Glacier collected in Indiana's streams that served as glacial drainageways. The sand and gravel deposits in Indiana's streams are known as valley terrain. This video shows valley terrain in the channel of Big Walnut Creek at the DePaw Nature Park just west of Greencastle. The deposits are so thick in this area because the site of the nature park is only a short distance away from the southern margin of the ice.